Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you transfer iPhone on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down. Click here on general here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on transfer or reset iPhone. So then you just come here to prepare for new iPhone. You click on get start here. Then here you just click on get start again. Then here add iCloud keychain here. Then here move all app data with iCloud. Then automatically it's going to transfer with you on your iPhone. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.